Daniel, as we are continuing with the FityPay tutorials. Now today we are talking about the dashboard overview. What will experience once you are first logged in. When you log in on the dashboard, what you see and how to navigate through the dashboard. Starting in when you create your account, default time zone is set to UTC. What I mean about time zone is about time which will be shown on your dashboard. Every update that happens on dashboard, it will display by which time zone. But for now, you will see this model at your first login. It's considered a good option to create your to set your UTC according to your area. Let's go to settings. Okay, and come here and select your time zone. For mine, it will be Africa, Nairobi. Africa, Nairobi, Africa, Nairobi. Exit. Yeah. And then I save. If I save, you can see that is where you can change your username, email address, phone number, and password. Anything about your account. Now, let's look at our dashboard overview. As you can see, we've got some overview cards there. Today, API usage, last call, QR codes. All those are just summaries of your dashboard. So, these today usage will show the amount of API calls you have made using your product, using your product token or even management token. How many requests have come from your dashboard? This will only show for today only. Then for total, since you started creating your account, this is the total amount of calls will be shown there. And last call will show the last call that was made using your product token, or even from your dashboard, or even from your payment link, or even your QR code. So all of them will be shown here. As you can see now, my time it adheres to my current area time zone. I'm not using the default UTC time, so it is good to change your time zone to your area. Now let's go to our product. My products is the section where you create your products. Now you can create them manually by using the create new button there. You enter your details, your product name, the name you want, which you want for your product. Then account type you choose, is it a till number? If it's a member, it can be a Kopo till number, if an M-Pesa till number, or any other till number, provided it's a buy goods till number. Then for pay bill or bank pay bill, this one you will use for bank accounts and Safaricom pay bills. Or for example, if it's a bank account, you've got a bank account for Equity, you will use pay bills for pay bill number. Then you set your destination account as the Equity's pay bill number, which is 247247. Then for account number, now you can insert your account number. Your account number there, and then you click create product there. So that's what you do when you are creating an account. For that, if it's a TIN number, you enter your TIN number there. For example, but for TIN number, you don't fill your account number. You leave it as blank. You only fill your destination account, and then you create product. That's how it is. Then you can even edit, disable, or delete, or click this button to delete all the products inside your account. Then next is about API. This one it is for developers who want to get the management token to perform product addition, to perform these create new products through an API, where you just use a management token and you add your product automatically. You can check our documentation here. You can check our developer docs to know more about management token. All that will be covered on the documentation page for developers. Then next is for test product. This is where you select any product you have added, test it how it works with SDK push before you start producing or publishing QR codes or payment links. You have to test your product first, so that you can be sure this product is route payments correctly to my defined account on the product page. So for example, here we can select our product there, that is one, and then your phone number. It is feed to your registered account number, which is you set in the account settings. Then you can even declare amount to be 1. Then for decision, not a must, you can even set test payment. Then click run test, and SDK push will be send to your phone. If that phone number is correct, it will receive the SDK push. Next is about payment links and QR code. This is where you create your payment links and QR codes and posters of those. Now, this will be covered on our next video, where we'll be showing how to create payment links and generating QR codes, posters, and generating QR code image. All will be covered on our next video. Next, about payment and SDK logs. This is where you see logs. Logs, I mean the transaction history which has been happening through your QR code link or QR code or link payment. When you send a customer a link and click that link and pays, you'll see the logs there. You see the date which the customer paid, type which type of hit a link or QR code, the description, what the customer got after payment, amount, the amount he paid, phone number which he got, the SDK push, status, is it paid, success, or the reference it show you. Reference, for example, the M-Pesa code that comes from a message. Then down here it will be the SDK prompt out it logs. Any prompt sent from your product token will be seen. You will see the logs there. Yeah, if the SDK push succeeded or failed, you'll see all of them. Yeah, as you can see here, we've got these. You can even view and see your time zone. It shows UTC, the product used to initiate that payment prompt. Source developer. When we say source developer, is when the payment is initiated through management token, not a product. For product token, the source will be, if you initiate a payment from payment link or QR code, the source will be a QR code or link. But for now, because this payment was initiated through using a management API and product token, that's why it says source is a developer. You can see even the web URL where the payment was initiated from. It's already there. Next is a pay as you go wallet. Now, FityPay has this feature where you only pay the tokens that you want to use and they don't expire. For example, here we can try to create a top-up wallet. Even you can buy tokens of any amount, provided you can see 1 Kenya shillings is equivalent to 2 request tokens. For example, if I enter something like 5,000, you see already I got the tokens we get from that amount. Then you can enter the amount which you see the SDK prompt. So you can enter your phone number there, which will get the SDK prompt to top up the token. That's it. After finishing, after entering the phone number, you click send SDK push, or even you can select one of these field. But it's advised you set your amount here manually. You can say 10,000 or yeah, that's how it is. Let's go back to back dashboard. Now we are on the account setting.